An easy way to extend the life of your battery on any given day is managing your app refresh. To do that, go into the settings, scroll down to General, tap on that to open it, scroll down until you see Background App Refresh. This is where you can manage the background app refresh settings. If you want to save as much battery life as possible, tap on Background App Refresh up here and switch this to off. Then, whenever you load an app, it's going to download the new data for that app. Let's say it's a news app, for example. You open it, it's going to download the news, and it'll take a few seconds, and then you'll have your news ready to go. If you want that news instantly when you open the app, then you have to have Background App Refresh turned on. And you do that by choosing either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. But I doubt that you need Background App Refresh turned on for every single app on your phone. So if you need to have fresh data for certain apps, go through this list, make sure that the Background App Refresh for those apps is turned on, but then turn it off for all the ones that you don't need constant information and new data. And that will help save your phone battery power as well. And while you're in the mood of saving battery power, check out this video where I show you a bunch more settings that drain batteries. If you want longer battery life, this is a must watch. And if you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.